guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm sorry I forgot to film an intro, so we're jumping right into the video. And we're going in with the Morphe 35B and this pink shade right here. And I'm just going to use this shade as my transition color before any colorful eyeshadows. We're then going to go in with the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and we're going to be going in with Candied Peach. And we're just going to be taking that in the outer corners and the crease as well. I'm kind of doing this like messily because this is going to be a halo eye makeup tutorial. And of course I'm going to be going back in and taking a clean brush and buffing out the outer edges. I'm then taking this bright pink from the Morphe 35B and I'm applying that on the outer edges and on my all over my crease actually. And then I'm going in with Love Letter from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and then we're going to be taking that color in the inner corner and outer corner and the crease because we want that space to be darkened as well. And don't forget to go back in and buff everything out. I'm then taking this color right under that colorful pink color, and then I'm going to be placing that on the outer edges and the inner corner as well. Mostly in those two areas, a little bit on the crease but not so much. We kind of want to concentrate those colors on the outer corners and the inner corners. And of course, between each color we got to go back in and buff everything out. I'm then taking concealer and I'm going to be kind of like cutting the crease, but only in the center. I'm not taking it inwards or outwards. It's just going to be concentrated in the middle. Think of it kind of as a square, but not so squarey, if you know what I mean. I don't know what I'm talking about, guys, but yeah, just like how I'm doing right here. After that, I'm taking this NYX Rose Gold and the Kitten Karma by STILA and my mixing medium, and I'm applying that where I have applied the concealer. The only reason I go in with the mixing medium is because my STILA eyeshadow kind of dried out, so this kind of brings life back into it and helps it stick onto my eye with the glitter better. But if you have a perfectly fine STILA glitter, just go ahead and use that. It'll work just fine. And right here I'm just doing the other eye, you know, the same steps. After the glitter is placed, I'm going to then be going in with the same brush that I've been using the whole time and kind of buff out everything and make it kind of sort of seamless. And I will be going in with wing liner for this makeup look. And for that, I'm just taking the NYX Matte Black eyeliner. And now it's time for lashes, which I'm very excited about because these are a drugstore pair. And they are the EYELURE Jasmine lashes. And they just look like this. And they're so pretty, guys. Like, you guys need to check them out. They were only like $7. But I do really love them. Obviously, they're not like mink lashes, you know. But these are still really nice. Kind of like a dupe for mink lashes if anybody has been interested in kind of trying them out. And now we're moving on to foundation. And of course I'm going in with my Fenty foundation. And I did previously have a light layer of foundation, as I heard that it works better when you do your makeup because you have a clean canvas to work with or whatever. But I mean, it was alright. And guys, I don't mean to give you guys the finger when I'm putting on my concealer or blending it out a little with my finger. That's just kind of what I do, you know, like, if anybody's offended, I'm so sorry. I'm not giving you guys the finger. And of course, you want to blend that out with your beauty blender or your sponge. And I didn't film it, but I do set my face after this. And then now I'm just going to be smoking out the lower lash line with the same colors I used on my crease. And of course you want to buff that out too. And I really never show this, but of course I'm going to be showing you guys my eyeliner that I'm applying. And I will list it down below because I don't know what eyeliner it is. And of course you got to apply mascara. We're now going in with the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. Of course, you know, this step is crucial to your makeup look if you want to look all nice and bronzy, like you've been in the sun but you haven't. And of course I'm contouring my fat little nose. And I'm applying blush today, guys, which I didn't record. I think it's like a Tarte blush, but I'm just putting a little bit of that because, you know, since we got all the pink going on, we kind of want to match, you know what I mean. And I'm gonna do a little bit of baking, not too heavy, just something light, you know, to clean everything up. And today we're gonna do a little bit of a twist, and we're going in with the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero palette in these two colors right here. And I'm mostly taking the pink one on my inner corners and the Glow Getter one, I think it's called, on my nose and my cheekbones, because I love me gold highlights, champagne highlights. I can't walk around with pink on my nose, you know. And since we're already trying a lot of new products, I'm going in with this Mario Badescu lavender and chamomile spray, which I'm not sure how I feel about, but I'll keep giving it a try. And now that we're highlighted and blended to the gods, we're now going to be going in with lip liner, and I'm just using my SOAR lip liner by MAC, and that's going to be my only lip product. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. And if you like this makeup look, please give me a like and subscribe. And until next time, bye, guys. And of course, there's going to be silly clips of me dancing or whatever. I hope you guys enjoy this silly side of me. Okay, bye, guys. Let me stop annoying you guys. But please subscribe. Share with your friends and family. It's free. You don't have to do anything. Like, I mean, well, you do have to do something, but it's just quick. Thank you, guys. Bye.